The East Siberian Institute of Economics and Management was founded in 2002 in Yakutsk. Three main branches researched and developed by the university are ecotourism, permafrost research and logistics. Yakutia is the land of truly unique locations that would be interesting for tourists all around the world. The nature of Yakutia presents tremendous amount of opportunities for sport tourism. This is mountain skiing, trekking, hunting, fishing and cruises on Lena River. The institute participates in organizing international festivals, scientific conferences and workshops about territorial branding and promoting the image of the region. The media department of East Siberian Institute is VETVEE television studio, which produces content for local television and collaborates with Russian and international television channels. The VETVEE's most successful recent cooperation was with the largest Brazilian broadcast network, Rede Globo. Short movie about girl with frozen eyelashes from Yakutsk reached audience of more than 150 million people. Climate of Yakutia influences tourism on every level, therefore is a subject of constant analysis and research. On this topic, East Siberian Institute cooperates with Melnikov Permafrost Institute. Permafrost is the only thing that preserves life on territory of Yakutia. In the absence of permafrost, our land would be a lifeless desert. The research samples like fossils and mammoth remains could be millions years old. Melnikov Permafrost Institute researched the evolution of permafrost zone under the influence of anthropogenic factors and engineering in extreme cold conditions. The students of the East Siberian Institute practice study at the MPI testing grounds because all aspects of their future work will be inevitably linked with the climatic conditions of the Republic. The third branch, which is being developed in the East Siberian Institute of Economics and Management, is logistics. This direction is especially important to study. Our region exists in a very complicated logistical situation caused by the following factors: extremely low temperatures, increased wear and tear on roads and equipment, lack of constant transport system across the river, monopolies of transport companies, and very expensive transportation fees. Within Institute, a logistics educational center is being created. The main function of this center is to study the logistics situation in the Sakha Republic and the proposals to optimize the process of transporting goods and passengers across the territory of Sakha Republic.